Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a stunning portfolio website using Wix step by step. Even if you have zero coding experience, by the end of this video, you'll have a professional looking portfolio ready to showcase your work to the world. Why Wix? Because it's beginner friendly, visually intuitive, and incredibly fast to get your website live. And the best part, you can start for free and upgrade later if you want a custom domain. So let's dive in. Create an account. First things first, go to wix.com and click on Get Started. You can sign in using Google, Facebook, Apple, or your email. Whatever works best for you. Once you're in, you're ready to create your very first website. Start a new site, click on Create New Site, choose Other when prompted, and then click Choose a Template. This is where the fun begins because Wix has dozens of templates specifically designed for portfolios. Find a template. Use the search bar and type portfolio. You'll see around 69 different templates, from creative portfolios for artists to professional showcases for designers, photographers, and actors. Browse through them and pick one that feels right for your style. I personally love the actor portfolio template as a clean, modern example. Open the editor once you've selected your template, click Edit. Wix will load its visual editor, which is where you can customize every element of your website in real time. You'll see your site exactly as visitors will see it. Edit text. Click on any text box and hit Edit Text. Replace the placeholders with your name, professional title, and a short tagline. This is your chance to make a great first impression, so keep it concise and clear. Swap images. Next, let's make the site visually yours. Click the background image, then change column background. You can upload your own media or use images from Unsplash. Don't forget to crop, zoom, and save so everything looks perfect. About Me section. Scroll down to the About Me section and edit the paragraph with a brief bio. Talk about your experience, your skills, or your creative vision. Keep it professional but personal enough to connect with visitors. Show reel and photo gallery. This is the heart of your portfolio. For videos, click Manage Videos. Add videos and upload clips of your work. For photos, click Manage Media on the gallery and replace placeholders with high-quality images of your portfolio projects. Make sure your best work stands out. This is what potential clients or employers will notice first. Contact area, scroll to the contact section. Edit your name, email, phone, and any representation details so people can reach you easily. If you have social media links, add those too. Full resume page. Now, let's create a detailed resume page. In the editor, go to Menus and Pages, Lightboxes, edit the bio lightbox, replace placeholder details like birth year, height, or location, and upload a downloadable PDF of your resume. This gives your visitors a professional, accessible way to learn more about you. Publish your site. Once everything looks perfect, click Publish. Your site will now be live at something like username.wixsite.com/site name. You've officially launched your portfolio. Upgrade optional. If you want a cleaner, ad-free website, consider upgrading to a custom domain like yourname.com. This removes Wix branding and gives your portfolio a more professional edge. And that's it. You now have a fully functional, beautiful portfolio website using Wix, all without touching a single line of code. Whether you're a designer, actor, photographer, or any creative professional, Wix makes it simple to showcase your work online. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more step-by-step tutorials. And let me know in the comments, what kind of portfolio are you building? I'd love to see your creations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.